Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use your own server for your websites. To use your own web server for your websites, all you need to do is set your server up in our system. Let's see how to do that. Log into our panel and click on the hosting menu item on the sidebar. Click on the Add Hosting Account button. A small dialog window will appear, where you can enter your server information. Make sure you select the Own Server tab and enter your account details, account name, hostname, and IP address. Once done, click the Add button. If you navigate into your newly created hosting account, you will see all account-related details. Now let's add a domain and connect it to your custom hosting account. Click on the Domains menu item in the sidebar and navigate into your domain group. Click on the Add Domain button to add a domain. During the domain adding process, make sure you choose your newly added hosting account from the drop-down, and all requests sent to your domain will be forwarded to your custom hosting account. Please note that software and software presets cannot be installed on domains that use a custom server because our system cannot set it up inside your server. However, you can install an SSL certificate in our panel. Please keep in mind that an SSL certificate must also be set up inside the custom server, because our system encrypts the traffic from end to end for maximum security. So, during the domain setup process, simply toggle the SSL switch on, and once done, click on the Next button and then click Add Domain button. And that's it. You can navigate into your domain group, find your domain, and when you open the domain's detail view, you can see that your domain is using your custom server. It was that simple. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.